Before using toothpaste to treat a cold sore, apply ice to help diminish the swelling. After cleaning the area, use a dab of toothpaste. Avoid gels and instead use a white paste. It is suggested that the area should be cleaned regularly and that you should reapply the paste several times per day. There are many home remedies that involve using toothpaste for a cold sore. One recommendation is to combine salt with toothpaste before applying it. Keep in mind that such suggestions are not medically proven and that applying salt to any type of sore is usually painful. Other suggestions include adding lime to this mixture, but citrus may also cause stinging when applied to a sore. If the mixture causes a lot of pain, it is best to gently clean it off and rinse with cool water. More studies are needed to confirm whether or not the benefits are as sound as suggested. Also, some studies indicate that a specific ingredient in toothpaste may be an irritant which may lead to canker sores and exacerbate cold sores. It is said that sodium lauryl sulfate or SLS may possibly create or aggravate such problems rather than helping. It is suggested that natural toothpastes are less likely to irritate and that those who suffer from various mouth sores should probably choose an SLS-free toothpaste. There are medicines available specifically for this issue that can be used instead of toothpaste for a cold sore. Some of these are over-the-counter preparations, but many are expensive, often prompting people to seek more affordable home remedies. The popular name brands of cold sore treatments seem to receive good reviews for alleviating discomfort and help in making sores go away faster. Since there is currently no known total cure for herpes, even these preparations won't completely resolve the issue. The medications that are available promise to help lessen the severity of cold sore outbreaks. They may lessen the time you have to suffer, but it doesn't guarantee that outbreaks won't reoccur.